In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable captions during your Zoom meeting. So assuming on a Zoom meeting right now, and I want to enable captions to what I'm saying so I can be able to see the captions at the bottom here. All you need is to come to captions over here, show captions, and then you can click on this drop down. You can select the language from here, enter the caption settings and change one or two things. Okay, so you can click and then you can see the accessibility in terms of you can allow this. So the captions, you can change it to something like this: the caption color, the translation color. If you want to be translated to another language, the main caption will be here and the translation could be in this color. You can change it to any color of your choice, respectively. I think I kind of prefer it to be something like this with yellow and white. Okay, so but then if you want to enable it during your meeting, so just click on the caption over here and you select the language. Which language do you want it to caption on? For example, I want to say in English, and I can go ahead and say save. And once I open my camera and talk, it's going to write the caption over here. So, hello, this is just a test of the caption in my Zoom meeting. So you can be able to see it very clearly written in English, and this is very, very nice. And once you're done, you can turn off the mic and you can see I have my caption here. So you can continue with the meeting, and whoever is speaking in the meeting, you will be able to read his caption directly, just like that. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.